Hello, good afternoon. My name is Gary Jackson and I'm a signwriter gilder from Northern Ireland. And firstly, I'd like to start this video by saying thank you to Dave Smith for putting together the online glue chipping course. Thank you, Dave. I very much appreciate it. I just recently finished the first ladder today. It's literally in the frame, paint still wet at the back, being held up by 2 rolls of tape. But anyway, absolutely astonished with the results. I've been gilding, glue chipping close to 3 years now, and in the middle of last year I felt like I had hit a brick wall, just getting the same kind of patterns all the time. I was happy with them, but I was starting to get annoyed with the amount of sandblasting showing, and it just was bugging me. And Dave had mentioned different glues to use, and I tried it, and immediately the results was coming out different. You were having glue chips on your glass, but also when it was sitting on the glass, dust shards of glass, and I'd never had that before with any of the other glues. So last Sunday I started his first ladder and I think it took 2 days to harden up, and I put it in the heat box and got it set and went to bed and came out the next morning and could not believe the result I had. Immediately a completely different pattern from what I had normally got. As you can see in the picture, the snail chip, I had never got it as like this before, and astonished at how little sandblasting was showing through. I couldn't believe it. I was so happy. I was like a child at Christmas again. I just got really, I get a buzz at every glue chipping piece that I do, but this just took it to another level. And I appreciate, Dave, and your knowledge that you're giving to us. There's not many people would do that, so thank you very much. And I just want to say to any other glass artists out there that's maybe thinking about the course, unsure about it, I'm just going to give you my opinion and my thoughts. And the course has already paid for itself, in my opinion, for the first ladder from what I've learned. Just so happy with it, and I can't wait to do the next one. So if you're thinking, I would just say stop thinking and bite the bullet and take it. Because the time and effort that Dave has clearly put into this, and he is so clear with his instruction, it's so good. And I would advise you to go for it and get it, because it will take your glue chipping to another level. So that's all I really have to say, and thank you again, Dave. I really appreciate you putting the course together. Thank you.